in a very similar way to Ethereum. It can run applications, it can execute logic, you can kind of build apps and dApps on top of this infrastructure. Then we have this concept of bridging, which is our equivalent of what we consider kind of a TCP/IP style protocol in the blockchain space, where we need to essentially create a common language for communication between blockchains. So then you use these bridges to essentially extend and connect to blockchains that sit on the periphery of the network. And then there's 3 different types of networks that we envision connecting to. So existing and future public blockchains that are designed using different kind of protocols. So whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's Ethereum, whether it's something yet to be designed and built, the intent would be that this is generic enough to be able to connect to it. Whether it's existing or future private networks, so Ethereum in its private implementation, or Hyperledger or anything else. And then what we call bespoke networks, which again is like using the code base of the Aion network to kind of spin off a new network. So with this, we create this kind of very open, multi-chain network, which is where we see kind of the future of this industry going. And increasingly now, when people talk to us, ask us about like what's the future vision of the blockchain industry, you hear a lot about, originally we heard a lot about Bitcoin being kind of like a next generation of internet technology. We think it's a lot more complex than that. There's going to be a lot of networks that have to coexist, but we really do see these as being kind of fundamental infrastructures to build what we're calling the decentralized internet.